Attention all Fortnite fans and Lego enthusiasts, get ready to drop into a whole new dimension of building and battling. The legendary Loot Llama set to retail for $39.99 with a whopping 691 pieces. This buildable version of the Llama promises to be a treasure trove of fun and adventures for Fortnite fans of all ages. Keep an eye out for this iconic loot pinata hitting the shelves October 1st. Next we have an 18+ set that is sure to appeal to collectors and fans alike. Peely Bone Buildable Model. Priced at $59.99, this set will bring Peely in his bone version to life and in stunning detail. And who knows, we might even get a Peely minifigure to add to our collection. Get ready to peel out with Peely on October the 1st. But wait, there's more. 2 additional Fortnite sets are rumored to be epic playsets. One set boasting 954 pieces, priced at $79.99, is rumored to include a whopping 10 minifigures. Will it be the battle bus or a beloved location from the game? Stay tuned to find out. And that's not all. Along with the 4 regular sets, there's also a Lego Fortnite gift with purchase in the works. This 151 piece gift with purchase is expected to be available starting October 1st. Get ready to score some exclusive Fortnite swag with your purchase. So there you have it, Fortnite fans. Sneak peek at the Lego Fortnite sets rumored to launch in 2024. Whether you're building loot llamas, battling with Peely, or exploring epic playsets, there's something for everyone in this exciting lineup. Mark your calendars for October 1st and get ready to build, battle, and conquer the Fortnite universe with Lego. Until next time, happy building.